Nuggets! Want water? Nuggets! Want water? Goodbye, drop. Copper. You'll be missed.
Yung ano niya,
You can be
lalagyan daw
found.
niya ng access yung ano, nag-aaral ka ba? Hindi na nag-aaral
Bye,
yan.
copper.
Lalagyan daw niya ng access yung proposed room.
Hi, Nugget. Dear Guam, I'm sorry.
Lalagyan lang natin ng French.
Hi, Nuggets. This is sand.
Tapos to 1.2.
Why sand?
Ang inano ko, kaya niya nagustuhan
When
yung
it's
design.
raining water, it should be like this.
Kasi baka ipabago daw niya yung ano.
So yeah.